have you found the HANCHU storage systems to be reliable in the field?
HANCHU storage systems have been reliable in the field, whether that be installers on site or whether that be customer inquiries coming into head office. So
Super.
very reliable.
Perfect. In terms of cost effectiveness, what makes HANCHU a smart choice for your business compared to other brands out there? I mean, we're here at Stolen Storage, there's lots of other brands.
Yeah.
What makes HANCHU the most appealing?
To be honest, HANCHU, they offer a great performance at a competitive price, which is great for me, our business, and obviously customers are always going to want the best price. So very happy with HANCHU.
Excellent. And what do HANCHU's battery safety features mean to you as an installation company?
That's it. The safety features give me confidence during installs and sort of afterwards as well. The technical support as well, I must mention, at HANCHU is second to none from what I've dealt with. So very happy.
When challenges arise, as we know, because you guys have helped us trial some amazing products like the Gateway, how's our response been? How's the technical support helped you?
Yeah, I mean, technical support, whenever I've rang, somebody's answered probably within 10 rings. They're quick, they're easy, informative. If they can't resolve it there and then, they'll use the remote dial-in feature, which I really like, and give me a call back. So yeah.
Excellent.
Brilliant.
And what makes you trust HANCHU as an installation company?
So the consistent quality, I'd say the strong support, competitive price, and I do quite like the aesthetic as well.
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much.